Oh yeah, Junior, you gotta hit the fish dance if you wanna.
How do I do it? Is like this or like?
Any way you wanna do it, bro. They're perfect, dog. Yeah, you gonna get the biggest fish doing that, bro.
Fuck, dude. Because this thing is so ugly, bro. It's so fucking ugly.
Bitch, you look like a tuna tartare. Fuck up.
You look like Beef Wellington. Big Snook in the business.
Let's go.
Big Snook in the business.
Go ahead, boy. That's on that pinfish too, boy. Yeah. Yeah, Snook. He was barely hooked. No. They gotta be way bigger. He probably about 18, 17. Y'all see that thing? That, hey. Hey, what time is it? Oh, that go Michael Norman. That's Michael Norman. Yeah. Check it out, y'all. We got them Bud Leezies. We got that boy Junior with us today, dog. Got Big B. Finally got them nuts off probation.
We got. I got you for the camera.
So what type of day it's finna be? Good Lord. Check them shorts out though. Yes, sir. He got look, he brought the fucking Louis V bag out with the beer. Ain't nothing but beer in that bitch. Let's go. Finally got that boy Junior out. See, that was the island I was talking about. Usually it's deep enough. Usually we just go right there. I mean, off the front it might be.
Nah, dude, look. This is the same situation. I had like 3 Jack and Cokes for you. I got there.
I told John, your ass was probably in there getting slaughtered. Slaughter beans. This is coming. Just walk up here and y'all see we going to that wall. That's the yacht club. We walking from the Legion again, bro. Again, sooner or later, bro, sooner than later, we gonna find a spot, man. Camden, dog. We gonna be parking in that hole. But you know, it's what you gotta do sometimes, bro. Nice day, hotter than a bitch, but when we get there, dog, it'll be worth it. Is your phone waterproof?
Yeah.
I hope so, bro. I hope so. Your ass hit the Dickie Butterson. Oh shit! Drop down to the knee. Damn, bro. Where's your phone? Your phone's in your pocket?
Yeah,
oh shit.
I don't even know where my shoes at.
Oh man.
I lost the shoe. We gotta find
Dickie Fuckerton, bro. Yeah, the stanky leg, boy.
They get the name.
Yeah, I don't know where my shoes at.
We're gonna have to just wait for it to clear up a little bit.
Stand still.
It should float up once it gets out the sand.
It's probably right here. I just seen bubbles coming from right here.
Oh shit.
Hey man, it's all good, bro. This shit happens to me. I almost did it like as soon as I fucking went to move. Your best bet though is to put your foot forward a little bit if you're standing still. So that way you just form like something you can push off of.
Okay.
Yeah, kind of
My right foot right now is stuck.
Yeah, dude, I know how you're feeling. That's I can't even. We're gonna find it, bro. We're not gonna leave.
Can't find it.
Nah, we gonna get the shoe.
Yeah.
You gonna need that bitch, boy.
Yeah, realistically,
You walking around with one shoe on.
We're probably gonna need to walk.
It's right here. Hold this.
That's right there.
You got my vape, dog.
I know, fuck boy. Here, Junior, you gonna have to grab. Let me get the boat back.
I've been out.
Oh, can you?
Have you hit the queefy Bifferton.
No, for real.
Oh man, dog. I don't know, bro. The other guy died, bro. You could just catch me floating off in the middle of the ocean, dog. I'm dead.
How you gonna put it on, bro?
You use my shoulder, bro.
Yeah, I can hold the book bag.
Are you recording this? Fuck, dude.
Because this thing is so ugly, bro. He's so fucking ugly, bro.
Bitch, you look like a tuna tartare. Fuck up.
You look like Beef Wellington.
You can do it, put your side, can do it.
You good? Yeah, there you go.
Oh,
Oh shit, dog, this nigga's about to take me in, bro.
I got this. I'm gonna use your arm.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, lock in, bro. There you go, bro.
You got extra tight.
Turned his Yeezys into Meezies.
Is tight enough?
Yeah.
Just pull his pants up and keep walking. Just. Fucking keep.
Hey, dog. Do what it does, bro.
Hey, you gotta do it.
Straight catfish today.
Yeah. Yeah, one thing about it, bro, them rainy days don't last forever, my boy. Y'all see, we almost there, bro. Yacht Club, Camden, them new things. We in pure clear water. Headed to that. How's it going, boss? We gonna slide down a little bit on the other side. Jeez, blitzkrieged. It's about to be.
He's about to meet Tommy Goofy for real.
It's about to be Woody shanked. Here, I'll give you a little lesson. I don't know, probably manatee. This is how you want to do it, bro. So look, don't reel it all the way up. You want it to hang a little bit. And look, take this, and then when you throw it, you're just gonna try to like just give it a little whip, like that bitch will go right where you want it. Exactly, dog. Bro. Couldn't get no, yeah, let it drop some. Couldn't get no better, bro. Perfect cat. Oh yeah, Junior, you gotta hit the fish dance if you wanna.
How do I do it? Is it like this or like?
Any way you wanna do it, bro. They're perfect, dog. Yeah, you gonna get the biggest fish doing that, bro. You finna get the biggest fish. Oh, something just hit him. Yeah, I threw it. They might be a little bit deeper. That was a trout, but he was a bit, bro. He hit hard. Oh boy, that's a big one. Hey.
Go ahead and get.
Hey. Oh, don't bash him up on the rocks. Here, Junior, hold this right quick. The Snook. Perfect catch, bro. John, that might be your first one, huh?
That's my first Snook ever.
First Snook ever. Nice one too.
Yeah,
That's a dope stuff.
Oh, bitch, that hurt.
You got him?
Yeah. He'll cut you up, but yeah, grab him. Grab him through the lip. Yeah, bottom lip.
He ain't got teeth?
No. Yep, it's like a bass.
Okay.
He's going to hold him tight when he shakes. Y'all see that, John, with his first Snook? Hey, that's enough. He's probably about 20.
Big Snook in the business.
Let's go.
Big Snook in the business.
Go ahead, boy. Boy got him one, dog. Swam off too. Hey, good shit, my G.
Shit, my boy.
First Snook. That's on that pinfish too, boy. Yeah. Yeah, Snook. Hey, I got a beer in my hand, so that's bigger. That might be a little bit bigger than yours. Hey, grab this beer from my shit.
I was gonna grab him.
We'll do that then. Yeehaw! Don't pick him up out the water. You're gonna have to. Now he's going when he kicks. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Get that hook out of there. Get that hook away from him.
Oh yeah, that bitch. He was barely hooked. No. They gotta be way bigger.
Get away from him, man.
He probably about 18, 17. Yours was a little bit bigger, so.
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, sir.
You hold him?
I can't really take. Oh yeah. Ooh, wee. Go ahead, buddy. Yes, sir. 1 and 1. Boy, John thought he was about to slide in here and thought he was about to take it from your boy.
Hey, I'm a stick.
Damn, Junior, now you just gotta get one, bro. We in there. Shout out to Bud Leezy for the sponsorship. No, I'm just playing. I wish though. Hey, Bud Light, we fucking with y'all, bro. So if y'all see this, let us get that sponsorship, my boy. Now you gonna get one, bro? There you go. I think that's a red. Yeah, red or a snap. Oh, that's another Snook. Look like 2-0 for Big Weezy. Hey, John, grab this beer out mine, please. Oh, that's a trout. Nice trout. Yes, sir. That's nice, boy. You sweet. A trout and a Snook, boy. Boy. Yeehaw. Damn, he damn near gulped this bitch. Y'all see that thing? That, hey. He's probably about 16, 17. That's a Snook and a trout, Big Weezy. You gotta catch up, buddy. Y'all hear John over there crying? He mad because your boy done. That's a nice one. I got it. Hold on, man. Goddamn. You know I help you if I was fucking doing this shit.
Yeah.
You mad? Nah, you don't want me to catch more fish than you. I see how it is, bro. That's all you had to say. That's all you had to say, bro. If you a hater, bro, that's all I need to hear. Yeah, just nah way. Damn, my dog had a trout or something. Bro, I gotta show y'all this. It's like fucking paradise out here. West Shore Yacht Club, dog. All the nice houses, got some cool people walking by. Security guard here is cool as a motherfucker, bro. He don't even be tripping when we go on the other side of that barrier. Some cool folks out here though. Got Junior and John down there damn near swimming. Junior about to go to that pole. Bro, I'm about to get on the fish, bro. I'll come down there in a minute, bro. A rock. 2-0 or 2-1. You got one, right? 2-1. 2-1. 2-1. 2-1. Got my something smashed him. I got my phone. Something bro. Something smashed him. You look like you in another dimension. Junior look like he's on another planet, bro. Go see what Fat Tootie talk about. Oh my God, bro. There was a fucking like 28-inch fish following my lure all the way up. I swear to God. I swear to God. He chased it all the way up. Hey, yeah, John, we got to stay in here. Yeah. You think your draws are soiled now?
You think your draws are shitty now, dog?
See you, bro. You don't give a winky shit. Told you, motherfucker. He ain't giving no dingling.
Did y'all see more guys on the fishing that walked onto the property?
No, we was the only ones.
No. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
We usually cut through the water, but we're just a little short on time. So we walk down through the water.
Yeah,
That's our.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, I saw y'all.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Well, was there a report of other people coming up there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, I didn't see anybody out there.
Okay.
So yeah, no problem, man. Have a good day.
That's the benefit of being cool. That's why I let Dan do all the talking about.
That's why I said this time we're short on. Junior, what time is it?
5 o'clock.
Oh, that go Michael Norman. That's Michael Norman.
Oh,
Yeah.